In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up an MLA format essay in Microsoft Word, using the latest update. We'll start from a blank document so you can follow along step by step. Go ahead and open Microsoft Word and create a new blank document. Before you begin typing anything, it's important to set up your page layout, font, and spacing, so everything matches MLA guidelines from the start. First, let's set the margins. At the top of the screen, click on the Layout tab. Then, look for the Margins option. From the drop-down menu, choose Normal, which should give you 1-inch margins on the top, bottom, left, and right. MLA requires 1-inch margins all around, so once that's selected, you're good to go. Next, set your font and size. Go to the Home tab. In the Font section, select a clear, readable font such as Times New Roman and set the size to 12. MLA prefers a standard professional font, and size 12 is the expectation for the entire paper, including the header and works cited. Now, let's fix the line spacing. Still on the Home tab, find the Paragraph section and click on the line and paragraph spacing icon. Choose 2.0 for double spacing. Then open the line spacing options and make sure before and after spacing are both set to 0. This removes any extra gaps between paragraphs so everything is evenly double spaced, which is exactly what MLA wants. Next, we'll set up the header with your last name and page number. Go to the Insert tab and click on Header. Then choose a simple option, usually the blank one. Once the header area opens, go to Insert again and select Page Number. Choose Top of Page and then Plain Number 3, so the page number appears at the top right. Click in front of the number and type your last name, then add a space. Highlight this text. Make sure the font is still Times New Roman, size 12, and that it matches the rest of your document. When you're done, close the header. Now you're ready for the first page. Back in the main document, make sure your text is left aligned and check that line spacing is still double. At the top, type your first and last name on the first line. On the next line, type your instructor's name. On the third line, type the course name, and on the fourth line, type the date in MLA format, day, month, and year without commas. Press Enter once more, then click the Center Alignment button and type your essay title in title case. Press Enter again. Switch back to left alignment, indent the first line of your paragraph using the Tab key, and now you're ready to start writing in full MLA format.